it's Kelly here from RMS. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut down on admin and streamline your payments with credit card tokenization. You'll need RMS Pay to use this feature, and if you're looking for a demonstration, head over to the demo hub and follow along. Let's start with the bigger picture. Tokenization makes payments faster, safer, more secure, and more reliable. Certainly cuts down on any manual entry that you might have to do or that your staff may have to do over time. It certainly reduces fraud and the risk of any fraudulent cards from coming your way, and gives your guests a smoother experience. Also helps avoid chasing payments at check-in and check-out. You know that you have a token there that can be used to take a payment. When you need to create a credit card token, you simply click on the guest icon here where it says CC token, and you're going to capture a token by pressing the plus and using the online form in this instance. Here you'll be able to capture the details. You only need to capture them once. I'm going to fill in those details, and those token details will save on that guest profile until they're actually removed or they're deleted by one of your users. The benefit of network tokenization is that if the credit card expires, the credit card is automatically updated with new details. You won't need to recapture those again with your guests if they come back. You can see here that the little icon now is green, which indicates that we have a valid credit card token that can be used. Now you can also use this token to take a pre-authorization, or you can use this token when you're receipting and taking a payment from your guests. The benefit from RMS Pay is that tokens can also be saved on any company profile or any travel agent profile, not just the guest profile. So if you have a company credit card that you want to attach, you can keep that on the company profile, and that will then follow through for any guests that are booking under that company detail. And the same with a travel agent. You can keep that card on file. That's a great experience. You don't have to continue to ask your guests for the details each and every time. So when they come and rebook, you can confirm to them by the last 4 digits that you've got their details, and you can keep that on file for the next stay. And that's how to use tokenization to take the friction out of payments. If you would like to learn more, head over to the Help Centre or to the Demo Hub. We'll include the links below. If you've gained value from this video or would like to learn more about RMS Pay, hit subscribe or book a demo with the team.